What color is that? What do you see? Let's learn our colors from A to Z.